Camfive friends, welcome back to today's video where we will make a friendly 420 embroidery shirt. Let's see!
As always, we're starting by opening Welcome. I have previously selected the design for this project. This process can be applied to any other drawing you want to digitize. We're going to create a run stitch, drawing the outline of our design until we finish the full drawing. Remember to type intro 2 times to close the vector. Then, repeat this process to the rest of your design divided by color. It's up to you if you want to digitize the numbers one by one. In my case, I will use the lettering function. You can use any font here, and if you don't know how to install a specific font, we recommend you to watch our tutorial about it. Now, this part is a bit complicated and time consuming, so you have to be patient. We're going to select one stitch layer, right click, convert, input C, and continue with each one of the objects. Make the fill layer by drawing again the outline. The order can change. It's your decision if you do the outline or the fill first. We're going to apply the following values. On the right panel, select underlay and set the next parameters. Type tatami, spacing 3 mm, length 4 mm, angle 90 degrees. Backstitch, select the middle option. Margins 10.35 mm. And on the second underlay option, type edge run, length 2 mm. Select very long length. Mean length 10.40 mm. Chord gap 10.05 mm. Margins 10.50 mm. And select the full compensation and will be 0.35 mm. Apply these same values to all your fill objects. Lastly, let's apply the exact same values to our outline layer. Select the full layer on the right panel and select underlay. Type tatami, spacing 3 mm, length 4 mm, angle 90 degrees. Backstitch, select the middle option. Margins 10.35 mm. And on the second underlay option, type edge run, length 2 mm. Select very long length. Mean length 10.40 mm. Chord gap 10.05 mm. Margins 10.50 mm. Select full compensation of 0.35 mm. Order the jump threads and let's move on to the embroidery machine. On the touch panel, plug the USB and select the design. Click on the flower to import the pattern and check. Select the design and again click on the flower button to export the file. Now adjust the thread colors to your design. Place the stabilizer inside the shirt. And between the stabilizer and the shirt below, place the outer frame and center it. Now, take the inner frame and place it on top by pressing it. Fit the frame to the embroidery machine. Back to the touch panel, select the frame. We're using the 12 inches hook. Leave the other parameters as presets. Make an area test before starting the embroidery. And start the embroidery. Let it embroider. This is the final project. Tell us in the comment section below what do you think.
Don't forget to follow us on social networks for more content like this. See you in the next video.